to DJ Sam Hus Production with 69 Project perform Reward Music.